Hello, guys. My name is Shania, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about my new smile journey with Pop On Veneers. So, for many, many years, I was walking around with a flawed smile. I was using a very cheap alternate to try to cover the situation up, and I really didn't, have the money for dental because, as we all know, it's very expensive. And I had life going on as well. But I was tired of my cheap alternate for many years. It was making me feel even more insecure about my smile. So I was on the research of other ways that I could change it, and it still be inexpensive. And I ran into Pop On Veneers on Instagram. I was skeptical for many months on buying it, but then I was like, you know what? I took the chance. You know what I'm saying? I spent the 600 for the top and bottom row Hollywood white. It took me 8 times. I had to do 8 impression kits, guys, just to make sure I got the right um smile, it looked right, everything fit right. I was getting very, very impatient. I was losing faith because I really, really wanted a new smile. And I seen all the other reviews online, and it looked like these people were very, very happy with their purchase. And you know what I'm saying? Was very, very happy with their new smile. So even after 8 impression kits later, I do have my new smile. If you can't tell, I do kind of have a wisp, but I think it will go away eventually. But that's my smile journey. I'm super, super excited about it. I've been smiling ear to ear ever since I got them. They're very easy to clean. They give you your 3D mold as a gift. They gave me 6 little tablets to start out with my new veneers. But I like them. You can eat with them, just be careful. Stuff like that. But I like it. They look real. They look real. They look like my teeth. I feel like a new woman. I mean, my ego was already big, but I love it. Truly happy. Money well spent. If you have a smile, you want to improve it, you really don't have the money for the dental work, pay the money for Pop On Veneers. You will not be sorry.